Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. You have seen what a monster can do, but this is the next level monster. Samsung has confirmed the imminent release of the Galaxy M47 5G. Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy M47 5G will launch soon. The company has shared teaser videos on X, offering a brief look at the smartphone's design ahead of its official launch. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The device will be released soon, and is being promoted under the slogan, Next Level Monster. The teaser image shows a vertically arranged triple camera setup on the rear panel, in keeping with the design of Samsung's latest models. The image also highlights the two-tone design. The rear panel is red, while the side frame is black. The teaser shows the Samsung Galaxy M47 5G, with a matte red or maroon rear panel, paired with a black frame. The pill-shaped camera island is also outlined, with matching red accents. Also visible are the triple rear cameras housed inside the module. While last year's Galaxy M36 5G also came with 3 rear cameras, the upcoming phone appears to have a slightly redesigned camera module. Aside from showcasing the design, Samsung's teasers don't reveal any specifications. However, a Samsung smartphone believed to be the Galaxy M47 5G recently appeared on Geekbench. The benchmark listing suggests the handset will be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM, and feature a roughly 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It is also listed as running the Android 16 operating system, with One UI on top. The teaser also carries the Amazon-exclusive branding, confirming that Samsung will sell the Galaxy M47 exclusively through Amazon in India. Meanwhile, the phone's tagline, Next Level Monster, suggests that it could offer a powerful processor, a large battery, or both. It is expected to share internals with Galaxy A27. We expect Samsung to share additional details about the Galaxy M47 5G ahead of its launch. The exact launch date, price, and key technical specifications of the new product are expected to be announced in the coming days. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.